Hello, good morning. This is Hifma Talking Movies. So I want to explain in details how you can minimize your space on your WhatsApp, how you can download our links, how you can use the Mega app to download, and then how you can use torrents, how you can use various applications and posting on the WhatsApp page. So let's start with how to minimize your WhatsApp space. See, this WhatsApp, it contains so many files. That's why if you look at it, if you download a WhatsApp, maybe it's like 15 MB. Before you know it, it's 30. Before you know it, it's 50, 100. It's going to be increasing like that. So when we are posting pictures of movies on your WhatsApp, this is what you need to do so that you will not be receiving all these pictures. It's the link you actually need. The pictures for the person to know that it's correct movie that we send. So all you need to do is just click at the menu, go to your settings. Once you get to this, your settings, you go to your chat. Once you get on this chat, you can see chat settings. This chat settings, enter is send. You don't need to enter that. Media visibility. If your media visibility is on, that's automatically when a picture is sent to you, it's going to download twice inside your WhatsApp and inside your gallery twice. It will chop your data twice. So you need to off this one, maybe only when you are doing this group, so that you will not receive so many files on your phone. All right, then you go back. Then another option is this: when you are through with your group for a day, you can clear the chat settings. You can just clear the chat. Okay, you can clear the chat of the group. Just pick here and you do what? You clear the chat. If you don't want to clear the chat, you can go to media. Let's say we open the group. Let's say this is a group premium. This premium. When you open the group, when you go to this page, you go to group media. When you open this media, you see all the pictures here. You can now pick the one that you want to delete, and you delete. Then you show here, these are documents, these are files, they are subtitle files. You go here, these are the links. So you can go here anytime and pick the links back if you miss it. So that's how this one is done. Okay, let me now show you how to download. You see, let me show you one thing. If I click any of this link now, look what will happen. See, all my browser pop up. I have AD blocker, I have ADM, I have Brave, I have Chrome, I have this. If you are using Chrome, just don't use Chrome. Chrome is very bad, it's not that good. So I have AD blocker, I have Brave, I have ADM here. So these files is the one I'm going to teach you how to use it. So, and how my phone pop up like this. So when you go to your settings, like this, don't use any of your browser as a default browser. As what? As a default browser. Don't use them as a default browser, because you use most phone come with Chrome, and the Chrome will be in default when it came. So you have to change that for Chrome. So this is how you do that. Go to your settings, go and look for default app. You find it anywhere. My own shows default app. It can be inside maybe under app. Just go and find it. Once you get it, open the default app. You can find browser there. The browser. See, this one will show all the browser you have on your phone. So don't make sure you don't click any of them. Make them on click. Alright. So if you are unable to get that, all you need to do is just go to that application. Maybe it's Chrome that you are using. When you click the link, it's go inside the Chrome. Go to the application. Hold on. Okay, go to that application. Once you click on that application, if you get all this, you see media, browse app, memory, open by default. So you go and check this place. I do not use it as default, that's why it's showing me like this. If you use your own as default, you see where to unclick it. So you unclick it there, then you go back. So whenever you click on the link, whenever you click on the link, it will pop up. It show all the app will come up straight. Then you have options to choose from. You have what? Options to choose from. Are we done on that? So let me show you how to download. So let's start with this one. If you click on this link, show you all this one, white image. You can use, it's better use, you can use AD blocker or use Brave. When you use Brave, when you get to this page, this is what you do, how to download from this one. You go down, you can see options, 720p HD, 360 MP4. So MP4 is already clear on phone, but if you want to put it on your TV, you have to use 720p. It will be clearer. So you click on download. Please wait while the file is being on that. You click on MP4. Forget what is showing you on the screen. Forget this. This it take you to another. You go back. Sorry. You click on it. Back again. Just back it. So this is the movie. This is how you download from this one. You click here. Click on the screen. You can see this 3 button on your right hand corner. Click on it and press download. Now it's downloading. You see that? That's how to do that. So let me go to another link. This one is CBShare. Use Brave. Once you get here, this one you just click on download this. That one is quite easy. Just click on download and you start downloading. Now it's downloading. You can see Civilus. Let me cancel that too. Coming. Cancel that. Okay. The next one is this. When you open it like this, you use your Brave browser. When you get it, don't click on this green one though. They are for advertisements. Once you click on it, you are making money for someone. So click on this blue one. Once you click on this blue one, click on it. It doesn't show download. You click on it again. Hold on. Now it's downloading. See, behind the eyes is downloading. It's moving very fast. So let me cancel that. And go back again. Another one. I will do a mega later. Another one. You click on this. If you come across this one, some might download automatically, some might not. If this one show you this page, this is what you zoom in. At this junction here, download now. Click on that. Click on this download now. Now it's downloading. How to ruin a Christmas. It's downloading South African movie. You go back again. And this mega, let me show you this mega. I told you to download one application called Mega. So when you come across Mega, because most Chinese films, most of old films, they are put inside Mega. Mega is a kind of a cloud that's when they put their movie there, it stays longer before it's expired. So once you click on that, the Mega will pop up. Once you have it on your phone, Mega will pop up. See Mega here. You click on Mega. Yeah. You can see options here. You save to device. You have started downloading. Download has started. So how do you see that? Now it's going. So let me stop Mega from downloading as well. Okay. Mega is giving. Okay. So I have deleted that. So just when you click on it, you go to save to your device and you save it to your device and you start download automatically. So let me pick another link. This one is very troublesome. All the series you are posting, we are giving rated web. So once you click on it, I always advise you to use AD blocker for those ones. So when you click on this, you get your AD blocker on. AD blocker is on like this. Don't mind this ADS. So all you need to do is just click on season 1. It's popping up. You click on it again. You keep clicking. It will go. Okay. Yes. It will go. Then you go back up again. These are the episode. These are the episode. You click on this. You take you to the page like this. Then you can see download at the top here. You can click on that download. Once you get to this page, you just click on download. Now it's downloading. If you use any other browser, it may not work. You just continue clicking, and we'll be redirecting you to somewhere else. Yeah. So let me show you another way to do that. Another one is O2 TV series. Also use AD blocker. So when you get on this page with your AD blocker, season 1 is done. Click on season 1. It takes you to the next page. If you use Chrome, it's just taking you to another place entirely. So you scroll down, you pick all the episode you want. Then start with episode 4. It takes you to that episode 4. Then you see options how to download 8G, 3GP. So you go to 8G if you want the clearest version. When you get to this page, you fill in these numbers here. Let's say 6. I think it's 6. Capital A. 6 again. That's small f. Then capital A. Then click to continue. Now, at this junction, all you need to do, wait the video start playing. Hold on.
Previously on Good Trouble. This is Mariana Adams Foster.
For real? You're an engineer?
Yes.
We'll get you started on some data entry.
I was hired to develop software.
I'm team.
Then when you throw back, let me go and cancel that. It's very fast. And this was very bad here. Very smooth. So that's what I always recommend. Use what? AD blocker browser. AD blocker browser. So this next one is called opit.com. Opit. The best one you can use AD blocker or Brave browser. Let me try AD blocker for you. Once it's open like this, waiting time is 6 seconds. Just wait for 6 seconds. Wait for that 6 seconds to count out. We are in 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. See, this is best something. I don't know how they do their everything to make these years. They are very strong. So you click on download. That means what? Pop-up is blocked. It's blocking those ADS from disturbing you. You click on it again. It block another one again. Okay, that is working. It's blocking it again. Don't go to show. It's blocking it for you. And click on it again. Keep clicking. We don't want this ADS to disturb you. And you click. Okay, just click. Go back. Click on it again. Take it to the wrong place. Go back. Wait for 5 seconds or 6 seconds to top up. I don't usually post this link because it usually give you problems, so that's why I don't usually post it. Once you get to this page, you are secured. Just click. See, so many ideas just popping up. Just click on it. Now it's downloading. Don't worry, I will not be giving you this link. It's a very troublesome link, so just put it so that you can know how to deal with some ADS problem here. So this one is the one we usually post more. This one, the last one here. This one, when you click on it, you can use any browser. Any browser is a direct link. It's supposed to download directly. But don't use Opera here. I beg you, don't use Opera. So you can use ADM. You pick on ADM. Let me show you how ADM will work. See how ADM shows everything. Just start here. And we cancel that. If you pick Brave, Brave will go automatic. It's already downloading. Let me cancel that. If you pick AD blocker, it's downloading. It's automatic. It's automatic. One. It's automatic. If you pick, sorry, it's still downloading. Let me cancel that. More data to waste here. Okay. So, sorry. So, if you pick, I'll go back. If you pick Chrome, it's going to download automatically. So, it's even downloading. It's downloading. Let me off that. Cancel. Okay. Let's go back. So, that is how to download some of the link on our IFMA Talking Movies. Okay. So, let's now go to how to subtitle. Okay. So, if you have MX Player on your phone, the link might be playing directly on your phone because you need to change some settings on it. So I will advise you to go away with that and get a VLC. If you don't know how to adjust that settings, I might post a video on how to adjust the settings. But if you don't know how to do that, it's better you have VLC. So let me show you how to subtitle. Okay, before we go further, the group. Yeah. If you see this file this file, you don't need to click on it. Don't click on it. It's like sending a picture to you and it will download inside your WhatsApp automatically. It's already inside your WhatsApp. These are subtitle files. They are called SRT file. So these are the files to subtitle the link of the movies above. So let me show you how to do that. So all you need to do is what? Open your VLC player. Okay, go to the video. This is the video. So the video we want to watch, let me take is Sisyphus. The Sisyphus, the Myth, episode 3. I just downloaded this. So when you click on it, now it's playing. So let me just pause that. This is what you need to do. The first one on your right and left hand corner, that look like a white something, you click on that. Okay. The first one on your left hand corner, the first envelope, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see audio subtitle. So just scroll down from this arrow down, you can see select subtitle file. So you click on select subtitle file. See that subtitle file you have on your phone. These are the 3. So all you need to do, just pick on the third one. So the movie will be subtitled like that. Let me just play it.
바로 세상 최초로 고분자 화합물을 양자 전송을 통해 위상 이동시키는데.
It's very simple. You just click on this place, this arrow, select subtitle file, you will see it. So if this one doesn't, if it doesn't show up your subtitle file here, you can go to what? To the browser here, internal memory. You scroll down to your WhatsApp, get your WhatsApp inside your media, the media document. You will see the file inside there. You will see it inside here. Your file, your media file. Let me get down correctly for you so that you can understand it clearly. Once you open like this, you click here, select subtitle file. Your own may not pop up like this. It may be like this. Once like this is how to locate where the subtitle file is. It's inside your WhatsApp. So you click on internal memory, you go down to your WhatsApp, to your media, then your document, WhatsApp business document or your WhatsApp document. You find the subtitle inside this place and you click on it And the movie is what? Is subtitled.
뭐야? 빨리 와. 빨리 잡히면 죽어.
싫어 미쳤어 너.